Hey everyone, Assalamu Alaikum and welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to share one of the most delicious and popular fast food recipes that you can easily make at home, chicken shawarma. This recipe is packed with flavor, juicy, spicy, and incredibly satisfying. The best part is that you don't need any special equipment or expensive ingredients. If you follow my recipe step by step, I promise you'll get soft, juicy, and restaurant-style chicken shawarma every single time. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, take 200 grams of boneless chicken, cut it into small bite-sized pieces, wash it thoroughly, and transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the juice of half a lemon. Mix everything really well so that every piece of chicken is coated with the spices. Cover the bowl with a lid or plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator. Now, after 30 minutes, heat a pan and add a little cooking oil. Add the marinated chicken, followed by 1 small chopped onion, 3 to 4 green chilies, and 1 chopped tomato. Cook everything on low to medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is fully cooked and the vegetables become soft. The aroma at this stage is absolutely amazing. Once the chicken is cooked, let me take a moment to thank all of you for your amazing support. A special thank you to Smith from the USA, Ajnika from the UK, and everyone who watched, liked, shared, and commented on my previous videos. Your support motivates me to create more delicious recipes every week. Transfer it to a bowl and let it cool slightly. Next, lightly fry the shawarma bread with a little oil on both sides until it becomes warm and soft. Set it aside. Now take 2 boiled eggs, chop them into small pieces, and place them in a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and a little cooking oil. Blend everything until you have a smooth and creamy paste. This simple egg spread gives the shawarma a rich and unique flavor. It's time to assemble our shawarma. Take the warm shawarma bread and spread a generous layer of the egg paste. Add the cooked chicken evenly across the center, then drizzle your favorite chili garlic sauce. If you like, you can also add sliced cucumbers, lettuce, or cabbage for extra crunch. Carefully roll the shawarma tightly and wrap it with butter paper. Don't worry if your first roll isn't perfect. It gets easier with practice. Make the remaining shawarmas the same way. Wow! Just look at these beautiful homemade chicken shawarmas. They're golden, juicy, flavorful, and absolutely mouth-watering. They're perfect for lunch, dinner, or even as a quick snack for the whole family. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a big like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss my upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay happy, keep cooking, and I'll see you in my next